Hello, I'm Claire from the Botanical Cake Studio and welcome to the Magnolia class. In this class I'm going to show you how to make this realistic magnolia branch arrangement, showing you everything from making the main magnolia flower itself to all of the little leaves and buds and details that form this branch arrangement. I'm also going to be showing you how to paint on a cake using my signature impressionist painting style. I'm by no means a natural painter, and so I developed this impressionist technique as it gives a super effective finish no matter what your painting ability is. As with all of the classes in the Botanical Cake Studio online school, each class is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos, including how to make your own flower paste, creating each of your elements for the arrangement, mixing natural colour palettes for dusting, and how to paint on a cake in my signature impressionist style. I've included cheat sheets to help you with petal counts and positioning, as well as details of all of the colours and tools that I use in the class. And I've also created downloadable bespoke templates for each of the petals, calyx and leaves for you. Finally, you will have access to a closed Facebook group, so if you get stuck along the way, I'm always there to answer your questions, and you can also share your work with fellow students on the course. I look forward to joining you on this class.